the Geos are tired. I have a different car now. I've just drove it one last time to use some fuel that was left in there. Here's my new car. 99 Honda Civic hatchback DX. Yeah, we've brought it home from Texas. But still gonna try to figure out what I want to do with the stereo. I got some NVX VSP 6x9s in the back. Don't really like the stock locations. There's absolutely no bass from them at all. But yeah, not too bad. Got some more work I need to do to it. I really don't like the fact that the previous owner had it lowered a little bit. You need to fix the windows. The windows don't, hinges or whatever messed up. But yeah, probably gonna go towards more of a sound quality. Probably 212s. Keep the NVX JD 1200 and then get a highs amp. So 212s, or I don't think I can fit 215s back there. But yeah, here it is. Alright, so it'll be a while because I got a lot of stuff I gotta pay for. But yeah, this is Techmaster 170 signing out.